It's your girl TB, and clearly I'm back with another video. In today's video, we'll be discussing genital health and hygiene. You know, the importance of keeping your private parts clean. We have to keep up with our body, especially our private parts. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. So overall, body hygiene is really important. Like, you have to make sure everything is intact, nothing is oozing, leaking, or smells weird. So it's really important that we have to take care of our genitals. And yes, I know there is such thing as body odor. Like, you know, at some point our bodies will smell unpleasant. And I also do know that there are people in the world that have conditions where they can't control their body odor all the time. So that's why I'll be sharing a few tips and tricks and like some information so that we can all, you know, try to minimize the body odor in our private parts as much as possible. Okay, so tip number 1, wash properly. This step starts in the shower. Washing properly helps remove the dead skin cells. We have bacteria on our skin, and we also have sweat on our skin. And when bacteria meets sweat, it makes body odor. And that's what we're smelling. In order to get rid of that body odor, you need to wash properly. So make sure that you're washing properly. You're getting every crevice, every crease, every fold, all over the skin, everything. No skin left behind. Like, you're supposed to wash it properly all over. Don't miss a spot. Get all the bacteria. Okay, so this tip actually does lead into the next tip, which is use a good soap. Since we're going to be washing our private area, we want to use a good soap that works well but it doesn't, you know, cause any harshness to our area because it's sensitive. The soaps that I use for, you know, down there care are the Bronner soaps. So I mentioned this in my last video. You can use the peppermint soap, or if you're not comfortable with the tingling sensation, you can use the unscented baby one. It's light blue and the peppermint is dark blue. So whichever one you like, you can use. As well as they have many intimate washes on the market, like, you know, Vagisil, or I think there's like a natural black owned brand at Target called Honey Pot. You can use that. I heard it's good. I haven't tried it myself. Maybe video coming soon, like if I can get my hands on it, because I know it's like impossible to get your hands on the Honey Pot brand. They have Summer's Eve if you're interested in that. Like, whichever one you pick, you can just do your research and, like, you know, figure out which one works for you, which one's best. Tip number 3, wear clean underwear. So as soon as we're finished, we're out the shower, we wash properly, we use good soap. Now it's time to wear great underwear, and it has to be clean. So like, reusing your underwear is not gonna work because the old bacteria on your underwear, putting it on the clean private area you just washed, it doesn't make sense. It's putting back on used underwear, it's not logical. It's saturated with sweat, bacteria, and dead skin cells. Does that sound clean to you? So listen to me when I say put on clean underwear. Clean underwear will help with genital health. Okay, so tip number 4. This goes hand in hand with my essentials video. When you're traveling outside, you need to carry wipes in your bag. All you need is regular baby wipes, or you can use flushable wipes. Public bathrooms run out of toilet paper all the time, and you go in the bathroom stall, you're trying to wipe, and now you stuck because you don't have nothing to wipe with. If you carry wipes in your bag, boom, you just whip out the wipes and clean it, and it's just that much better than toilet paper. And last but not least, tip number 5, which is regular checkups at your doctor. You should visit your doctor regularly. And when I say regularly, I mean, I'm not sure how much time, but like, you know, you can visit your doctor every 3 months. That's like 4 times a year. I know that it's hard to visit a doctor's office now, you know, in the time that we're in, but, you know, definitely try your best and make an appointment in advance so that you're always on time with your appointments. Visiting your doctor regularly makes you aware of what's going on with your genital health. It's better to know immediately than later. Like, you know, you need to know now, because if it's something serious, you can treat it faster, you know, get it over with. The longer you take, you know, it can get out of hand, and, like, you know, we don't want that to happen. So take care of it now. Well, that's all the tips I have for you today, guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe down below. Press that notification bell so you can know every time I upload. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.